Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to deal with copyright claim on YouTube and how to remove them right away. Whether you are a beginner or experienced creator, these tips will help you to protect your content and channel. Let's get started. Explanation copyright claim. First, let's understand what a copyright claim is. When copyright claims don't always result in strikes, they can restrict monetization or even block your video in some region. To see if your video has a copyright claim, follow these steps. Open YouTube Studio. Go to the content selection from the left menu. Check the restriction column for any copyright claims. If a claim is present, click on the See Details to learn more about this issue. Step the Remove Copyright Claim. Now here are the options to remove a copyright claim. Option 1. Trim the claim content and choose Trim Out segment. Follow the prompts to remove the claim portion from your video. Option 2. Replace the music. If your video has copyright music, click Select Action and choose Replace Song. Pick a free track from YouTube's audio library. Option 3. Mute the claim audio. Select Mute Song from the Action option. You can mute only the claim audio or audio during the channel segment. Option 4. Dispute the claim. If you believe the claim is incorrect or false under fair use, you can dispute it. Click Dispute on the Copyright Details page. Follow the step to submit your dispute. Ensure you have valid reasons to avoid further complications. Scene 4. How to avoid copyright claim in the future. To minimize copyright issue in the future, use royalty-free music and visuals. Check YouTube Studio audio library for free-to-use content. Create original content as much as possible. If you need use to copyright materials, get explicit permission or license. That's it for today's video. I hope this video guide helped you tackle copyright claim effectively and keep your channel safe. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments if you would like to more tips on YouTube content creation. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.